Oh, it's a video.
We're at the beach. Where are we, you guys? Birthday girl. We're celebrating her 20th birthday at the beach in Maryland. It's really pretty. Are you going swimming, Anushka?
I'm gonna use your towel.
Are you going swimming?
Yeah,
What?
I am.
Huh?
Oh, yeah, it's willing.
I like your sunglasses. They're like different color, right? Like in the sun. What?
Oh, it feels so good. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Oh my god. Oh yes, it feels so good. Whoa. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my god. What a beautiful Tuesday afternoon. We got Anushka in her beautiful outfit with her hat and her sunglasses. Love it. We got the beautiful bay. We got the beach. Also got on my soggy hat that I got from the Virgin Islands. It's a great day, you guys. Great day today. Love it.
What is this?
We had an early practice today, 8 to 10 a.m., but it was so worth it because now we can spend the rest of the day at the beach.
It was 105 degrees.
Yeah,
outside.
it was so hot.
So hot.
It feels so good in this water. Like, you guys have no idea how good this feels. But, yeah.
This water's dirty.
Oh, it's so hot. Stop.
What are you screaming for? I didn't think she was gonna scream. I was just trying to hug her. She thought I was gonna like drown her or something. I don't know.
Like more classes, Vero or Mallory?
Vero.
What?
I'm so wet.
Come on, Mallory.
Birthday girl! Woo! Hey! Hey, Tess! You look pretty.
Thank you.
Ready for picture day.
Yeah.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Another one. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, so no, okay. What did you do? Like that. Like this?
You can do whatever. Doesn't have to be. What's natural? Yeah.
Not the same.
What's your
Sorry, now please go like that.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. And they don't have to be the same either.
How are the photos, Ma? You like
Perfect.
I still have that one of him.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my goodness. So. Oh my goodness.
I'm in Walmart getting some groceries because I need food. Looking for nail polish remover because I'm almost out. So far I got ice cream and eggs. So very interesting stuff, you guys. Where is the nail polish remover? Oh, I think it's I'm getting this nail polish remover, 93 cents. So this is my little grocery haul. I got eggs, milk, strawberries, bananas, this ice cream. It's the salted caramel swirl, looks really good. Some cookies, some bacon, some nail polish remover because I'm almost out of this, and then I ran out of this today, so I got some more ibuprofen. So that is it. This is our go-to meal, you guys. We got steak and mashed potatoes, and I got some chocolate milk. She loves the steak. Whoa! Oh my god. It's 8:55. I am about to pass out. I am so exhausted. My eyes are like tearing up because I just yawned. But that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just gonna get some ice cream and then plan out my day tomorrow and then go to sleep because I am so tired. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Oh my god. Wow.